Hi dear viewers, today at first I am going to explain why a start delta starter is used. Most induction motors are started by using direct on line starter, but when very large motors are started directly with delta connection, they cause imbalance of voltage on the supply lines due to drawal of large starting current at delta connection as well as production of short and large starting torque by the motor. To limit the starting current to a safe value, large three-phase induction motors are started at reduced voltage by arranging its windings which are connected to run the motor up to near its rated speed. After attaining at or near 80% of rated speed, the winding connection is changed to delta from star to allow full voltage. The start delta starter converts the winding connection from star to delta within preset time automatically, and then the motor runs normally. These are three windings: A1, A2, the first winding; B1, B2, the second winding; C1, C2, the third winding. A1, B1, C1 are starting end, and A2, B2, C2 are finishing end. All three-phase instruments in electrical system is either start connected or delta connected, or both start delta or delta start connected. Three windings are connected to form a star connection or a delta connection. This is star connection. All finishing end, that is A2, B2, C2 are connected to form a neutral point. The starting end A1, B1, C1 are connected with three-phase supply lines. Voltage between any line and neutral is called phase voltage. Voltage between two lines is called line voltage. Similarly, current between line and neutral is called phase current, and current between two lines is called line current. In star connection, phase voltage is equal to 1 by root 3 times of line voltage, but phase current is equal to line current. Let us see the explanation. This is delta connection. In delta connection, phase voltage is equal to line voltage, but phase current is equal to 1 by root 3 times of line current. So, it is seen from the expression, current taken by delta connection is 3 times that of star connection. Dear viewers, in this episode, connection details along with operating procedure of a start delta starter with explanation is presented here. Let's start. This is 3-pole main MCB of suitable ratings. This is main contactor Q1 to feed a suitable 3-phase AC motor M. Has one NO and one NC auxiliary contacts. 13 and 14 is NO contact and 21, 22 NC contact. This is single pole control MCB of suitable rating. This is overload relay having one NC and one NO auxiliary contact. This is single phase preventer relay to protect the said motor from single phasing. This is on delay timer relay. Suppose time set at 25 seconds. That is, the NO contact will be connected from NC after 25 seconds and will make another circuit. This is the 3-phase contactor K2 of suitable rating. The contactor connects the motor winding with delta connection. This is 3-phase contactor K3 of suitable rating. The contactor connects the motor winding with star connection. This is stop push button. This is start push button. Now please watch the wire connection of the starter. Neutral wires are connected at A2 of all voltage coils of all instruments. Main MCB made on. Control MCB is now made on. Let's press the start push button and maintain the pressing. Watch carefully. The arrowheads represent the direction of flow of currents. Contactor Q1 makes contacts to feed power to motor. Voltage coil of contactor K3 getting power through the timer contact 16. K3 makes circuits and simultaneously breaks connection of delta contactor K2 circuit at its NC contact 21, 22. Thus, K2 contactor will not be able to operate during the operation of K3. After 25 seconds is supposed, timer breaks the existing circuit and makes another circuit at contact number 18 and contactor K2 makes contacts. And this time K3's voltage coil circuit at K2 contactor gets open also at 21-22 NC contact. Thus between K2 and K3 an interlocking is achieved. Now withdrawn the pressing finger and please watch the remaining part of the connection. This is three-phase AC motor. Windings are not connected with either star or with delta. Thank you.